Morning all. Going to show you some more new stuff that's come in recently. So let's have a look. This is from AA. There is some other stuff I'll show you in a minute, but this is one of their newest ones. This is the ME209 V4. This is 48 scale. There was a resin one around ages ago and there's a couple of others, but this is from AA models. The reviews I've read are good. It does take a little bit of work. It's not your simple throw together kit, but if you're looking for that next version of 109, this is very, very nice. So from Vallum, a couple of new ones. This is the Viking C2 Royal Flight. So if you're building up a collection of the Vickers type aircraft and the Vikings and all the rest of it, this just came in. Again, it's not your limited run kit, so you've got to do a little bit of work. So you can just go from there. From Revell, this is the 32nd scale GR1 Tornado in Gulf War markings. This has been out before, but it hasn't been around for a little while. So if you're that way inclined, they've also released the 48 scale version of it too. This was always a nice kit. The beauty of it is it now gives you these Gulf War markings as well. So it's been out for about 6 months or so, but it's the first time we've actually been able to play show and tell with it. So very, very nice. From Zukimura, this is the continuation of their Phantom series. However, this is a very limited run version of it. This is the last of the Japanese Phantoms, or the last flight of the Japanese Phantoms, or something to that effect. This is very, as I said, very, very limited, to the point they have actually sold out. You cannot get that direct from SWS anymore. We've got a few left. It's a very, very nice kit. The decal sheet is just magnificent, if I can just show you. Lots of pieces. You even get a little badge to pin on your chest for you if you want to, that way inclined. But, oh, I can't actually get the decals out. I don't want to open the box. But the decal sheet, from what I've seen, is very, very nice. Lots and lots in the box. I know that Tamiya has just announced their Phantom, but you know, this is an EJ or EJ, F4 EJ, so Kai. So if you're looking for just that fancy one, or you just want to see a bit more of one, this is really nice. And as I said, very, very limited. We've got only a few left. So if you're chasing one, go for it. Have a great day, and I will talk to you again soon. See you then.